So to install the clamp cleat, the first thing we're going to do is to unbundle the factory rope that's previously installed on the stinger from the factory. It already has the appropriate factory installed stopper knot, which is absolutely critical. We're going to line it up next to where we anticipate we're going to mount our clam cleat. This is an essential part of the installation. You actually have to get in the kayak and you have to simulate raising and lowering the stinger and where you want to cleat the stinger. Where do you want to cleat it and let go of it and be able to fish and paddle, and then recleat it and let the stinger down. And for me, it's very comfortable right about here. So what I'm going to do is make a mark right here. That's all there is to this part. Okay, our next step is to position our clam cleat. This is a very important step. What we want to do, we've already installed our line, and we've already marked with an X where our clam cleat is to be installed. The important thing about a clam cleat is you'll see teeth on one end. Those teeth need to go forward on the boat, toward the front of the boat. That's what grabs the rope. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just put it where we put our X. Now we mark our holes just like we did with the bracket. And also, just like we did with the bracket, we're going to start a sheet metal screw in the hole that we marked. Just for positioning. Drop that sheet metal screw down through the clam cleat. Line it up on your tapped hole. Run that sheet metal screw in partially. Run the other one in fully. Pull the rope through the clam cleat. You can see how that will hold. That completes the installation with the sheet metal screws. In the same vein, we're going to demonstrate the well nut installation. Okay, picking up from the marks that we made from our sheet metal installation, we're going to chuck up the appropriate sized drill for the well nuts we're going to install. Drill right through, open up those holes, drop down our machine screws into our clam cleat. Drop our clam cleat down. So we've got the sheet metal screws dropped down through the clam cleat. And we're just going to take our well nut, reach under here to get it started. Good for that one. Good for that one. And then we're going to run the rope up through the clam cleat, and we've installed the clam cleat successfully using well nuts.